Hey everyone! So I got a message off Wayne today saying that a long-awaited package from Drift HQ in Florida had arrived. So I've been waiting for this for a really long time. I'm super excited about it. It's something really cool to put in the Cressida. So heading straight down to the workshop to unpackage the package. These seats are mint. Check them out. I got the NRG Prisma seats in black suede. Totally intergalactic. Alright, we also got the MX83 adapters and slider kit. So apparently these are meant to bolt in. So we'll see. Also got the NRG 5-point racing harness. Got here new NRG release product. So these are the hooks that you can put up for your quick release steering wheel. After you take it off, you can just hook it straight in there. Got 4 of these toe straps because I'd like to use them in the doors as my door handles, I think. And lastly, in the package, we have my shift knob. That's cool. So these products I got from Drift HQ in Florida. So I dealt with Alex that was there. He was really helpful. He helped put together everything and get it shipped from Florida over to New South Wales, Australia. All right, everyone. So we've unpackaged the seats and everything and the brackets. So just can't wait. Got to install them. Got to check them out and see how they work. So let's do it. Alright, so we've got the driver's seat in. The driver's seat is a bit more critical of the 2 seats to install, so we want to make sure that it's, you know, fairly well positioned. You can see the steering wheel just through that little slot here. When you sit in the actual seat, it's kind of hard to film on camera, but when you're sitting in the seat, the steering wheel is off to the left. So we're going to have to probably modify the adapter plate a little bit just to move that seat over so it's a bit more central with the steering wheel, because, you know, you want it to be positioned, you know, comfortably and where it should be. The other thing too for me, because I'm a little short, the bracket here, so it's on its lowest setting at the front and its highest setting up the back for the tilt of the seat. And at that position, my knees are still too high up. So we need to probably look at putting another hole here to sort of drop the front to alter that tilt a bit so that it's just at the right position for me because of my little short legs. All right, let's hop on it. So as you can see, we wanted to make that tilt a little bit lower. So we've done the little hole here. So now we're just going to drill it a bit bigger to size of the bolt. So we've drilled the hole and mounted it lower, which was all well and good. until we refitted the slider thingy. I don't know what you call it, bracket, movie thing. You pull it up, release, there we go. The release that we pull up to move the seat, and it is now hitting the seat because it's too low. So now we're going to deal with that situation. All fixed up. Beautiful. Let's go put the seat back in.
Steering position is good.
Steering position is good. Alright, so now we got that front section sorted and we know the seating position's good. Now we're going to the rear anchor bolts, I guess you could call them. So what we've got here is we've got these washers and they are meant to go here. And as you can see, when we put it there, we get the bolt. It no want to line up because it's on like a mad angle. Looks like I'm gonna have to cut a flat section out of the washer so that it sits up a bit more flush and centralizes that bolt. Let's go. Done.
All done?
Yep.
On to the other seat.
Passenger seat to go.
That's pretty good, I reckon. That's fuel central.
Gonna install the shift knob. So just get that ferrule one there. So we're gonna take that off. I'm gonna put the new one on. Check it out. Alright, so it comes with some adapters. So we've got M10, M12, M12, M10. Oh, so two M10s. Oh, the thread 1.25, 1.5. So I'm pretty sure that we're M12 1.25. And there it is. It's so cool. Okay, so I'll pop that one in and then we'll pop it on. Beautiful. Check it out. Yeah, it's so much better now. Such a better height for me. There we go. Seats are in and looking good. Very, very happy with those. Alright, so still a few more jobs to do, so make sure you stay tuned and keep watching. So still got like the oil cooler to do, the hydraulic handbrake, bash bars. I think after that we'll be probably right to go. Thanks for watching, guys.